Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to do the Roux method on a 3x3 cube. We'll start by understanding its core principles. The Roux method is a popular speed cubing technique known for its efficiency and fewer rotations compared to other methods. It emphasizes building blocks and then orienting and permuting the remaining pieces. This approach can significantly improve your solve times once mastered, offering a smooth and intuitive solving experience. Let's begin with the first block, or FB. Your goal is to build a 1x2x3 block on one of the side faces, typically the left or right. This block should be correctly oriented and positioned relative to its centerpiece. Focus on using only R, U, L, and F moves, avoiding M and S slices for now. This initial step sets the foundation for the rest of your solve, so accuracy is key. Next, we move to the second block, or SB. This involves constructing another 1x2x3 block, mirroring your first block on the opposite side. You'll primarily use middle and top layer moves to achieve this. The key is to build this block without disturbing your completed first block. Once both blocks are formed, you'll have two 1x2x3 blocks, leaving only the middle slice and top layer to solve. Finally, we tackle CMLL and LSC. CMLL stands for corners of the last layer, where you solve all four corners of the top layer while preserving the two blocks. After that, LSC, or last six edges, involves orienting and permuting the remaining six edges using M and U moves. This is where the Roux method truly shines with its efficiency. Remember to check the description for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.